Hello and welcome to Fishing with Joe. I'm your spokesmodel Amanda. When the Wellcraft boat is cruising, it can only mean one thing. We're headed to some secret spot that's seldom seen. This little honey hole is better than you could ever imagine. So hold on tight to your rod because it's going to be a good time. Fishing with Joe, you have got to love it.
For over 100 years, R&R Bait and Tackle has been selling the highest quality fish bait in the Buckeye State. Our minnows, crawlers, and crawls are guaranteed to catch fish or die trying. Open 7 days a week, all summer long. We know where the fish are biting. Call us for the latest fishing report. Now let's get back to the action.
Don't get left out in the cold. Total Auto Repair has the hottest deals on repairs in town. Your Central Ohio leader in auto and diesel repairs. We offer free towing for our customers. We'll have you back on the road in no time. Our honest and superior service make us the shop you can trust. No job is too big or too small. We do them all. Mention this ad and you'll get 30% off your next service. Just think Total Auto Repair the next time your ride lets you down. Call today and experience the Total Auto difference for yourself.
This river is kind of so funny. I don't know whether it's the fact that people have just put RepRap in this area because, you know, you got houses up there and they don't want the bank to erode away, or the fact that any place you put RepRap along the bank on this river, it's going to come through and cut out a deep hole. Got him. Yeah, that's a nice spot. Yeah. All right, he was setting up there on that log. Hold still now. Gotcha. Yeah, he was sitting right up there on that log. And when I pitched it out, I was like, oh no, I didn't pitch it out quite far enough. It's about 2 foot short on the river. It doesn't matter. It's like hand grenades. Just get it close enough, it'll work. Yeah, beautiful fish. Beautiful, beautiful fish. Gotta love it. Anytime you find current, rocks, and wood on the river, especially if it's adjacent to some deeper water, maybe 5 or 6 feet, you're gonna find spots. Oh yeah, beautiful, beautiful. Yeah. All right, right back to work. Wow, do you see what I'm looking at? Ooh, good one. Yeah. And that's a smallmouth. All right. There we go. Smallie. Oh yeah, gotta love it, gotta love it. They're just tearing up the little worms. Decided to throw that instead of the buzz bait. Seem to be hitting it a little bit better. Go with what works. Oh yeah. Thank you.
Have you ever wanted to go fishing with Joe? Well, here's your chance. Every year, Joe books a limited number of guided fishing trips.
Yep. Oh. There we go. Get ready. Get ready.
You could be on the boat when it all happens. Just visit www.fishingwithjoe.com for details. Now let's get back to the action.
Wow, that is a deep hole right there. Much deeper than I expected. Wow, it just kind of dropped into this hole. It must be like 10 feet or 12 feet, 15 feet deep down there. Can't believe there wasn't a fish sitting in it. Oh, there he goes. Oh, gosh! That bass was so huge! Oh my gosh! That was huge. Oh my word! Look, folks at home, I don't know what to say. I couldn't stop him. It wasn't no stopping that fish. He was just ginormous. He was just huge. I don't know what I could have did. I weighed like 275 pounds. I set the hook and like I couldn't stop him. It was like a freight train. It was like a freight train. I don't know what to do. I could do nothing. He is huge. If I pulled the rod out of my hand. Good God. Fish. All right. Oh gosh. All right. So these smaller ones are easier to get in the boat than those big ones. Goodness. Still talking about that big one. He had to be like 6 pounds. Smaller ones are easier to get in the boat. So I catch those for right now. All right, there we go. Smallmouth. He's going home. Thank you. I bet you come along this bank in the morning with like a buzz bait or something. I bet you get a hold of some fish. I bet that guy right there, that old jet boat. Oh gosh, there we go, in the boat. Yeah. All right, here we go. Catching some more normal size fish. All right, it's a spotted bass. So I'm catching smallmouth and spotted bass right together. And you can see how fat his stomach is. A spotted bass, they'll eat anything that fits in their mouth. Oh yeah, beautiful fish. All right. Thank you. All right, fish. Oh, got him. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Oh yeah. Wow. Look at that smallmouth. Look at that. He darted out there and grabbed that. He grabbed that bait. I saw him just go right out there after it. He's got it right in the roof of the mouth too. Alright, let me pop this hook out here. That bait is in the way. Open up, Mr. Fish. If I could get that bait out of the way, I could have a better chance at seeing what's going on there. There we go. Alright, there's the bait. Get you off of there. There we go. Give it up. There we go. And that's a long fish. Real long fish. Beautiful fish though. Gotta love smallmouth. Gotta love them. They fight so hard. Yeah. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Honey hole fishing. Found the honey hole. And I'll tell you what. I don't want to brag about my Weltcraft jet boat, but without this boat, it would not be possible to get into this area. Just simply impossible. The nearest boat ramp isn't too far away, but it's what you have to go through between the boat ramp and here in order to get to the spot that keeps the majority of guys out of this area. So if you've ever been considering a river-style jet boat, yeah, Weltcraft. WELD-CRAFT.com.
Thank you for watching this episode of Fishing with Joe. Having this much fun isn't easy, but we don't mind. We work hard to make the best fishing show around, and we're glad you're watching. I'm Alexandria, and this is Fishing with Joe. You gotta love it.